everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've been on. I get on whenever I can. I'm a working mom with seems like forever sick kids, but I am so excited to be here with you today. I have a luxury unboxing that I am super duper excited about. But before we get into it, if you are new here, my name is Jeannie. I'm glad you decided to stop in. If you're returning, I have missed you all so very much, and thank you for coming back. So I hope everybody is having a super holiday season so far. I know that the holidays can be a stressful time and a sad time for some people. And a very happy time and everything and all of that all at once too. So whatever type of holiday you celebrate and however you are feeling, I am sending a big XOXO your way. So for today's unboxing, I have something from a company called Tidelocker. This is a website where you can get luxury replica products for a fraction of the price. Now, when they contacted me and wanted to send something my way for an honest review, I was like, okay, let me go to the website and check out what they have. When I saw the bags and the stuff that they had, I was like, oh my gosh, yes, I was so excited. And to be fair, they sent me this a hot minute ago. My kids have been never-ending sick. Work has been crazy. So not only do I want to thank them for sending me this beautiful product for my honest review, I also want to thank them for being so very patient with me in me getting my review up and out. So here we go. I have been dying to I've obviously opened the box and taken a peek, but I have been dying to actually take everything off and really look at it. But as you'll see in a second, I haven't because I wanted to save it for the video. So I am so excited. I will, of course, have all of the information about them and the website linked in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. Let's first talk about the packaging. This is a big old Chanel box. The box feels very luxurious. It kind of has that matte look and feel. It's also magnetized, and for whatever reason, to me, that just feels luxurious. I don't know why. Whether it be like a makeup product or whatever, when the packaging has that magnetic closure, it just feels nice. So this box is huge. Let me move a couple things out of the way here so that I don't end up making a huge mess. I just spilled my drink. Of course, I did. All right. Now, let's jump into the unboxing. So when you open it up, everything is packaged very nice. And I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. Let's just pull her out. Now, it does come with some other things. We will go through all of that. Quite a few extra things in here that it does come with. It comes with Chanel tissue paper and a gift bag in case you wanted to purchase something off of their website and gift it. They are setting you up for success. You have a brand new Chanel bag. You've got a tie and tissue paper to wrap the gift up. This is not something that I'm going to gift. I'm definitely going to be wearing this bag. Let's check this out. So then it comes with a little Chanel manila folder. And it's got this little card. On the card, it's like, it has the letter M, and then it says, date of purchase. So I'm not sure what that is about. Then we have like a little Chanel pamphlet here. So we got a pamphlet. And then it does come with a duster to keep the bag nice and clean whenever you are not using it. Keep it dust free. And then it also comes with this. Okay, so this, okay. So it's showing a receipt for $26,800. That's not what this bag costs on the website. It was a couple $100 or a few $100. I can't exactly remember. Interesting. So it's almost like a little authenticity package that you get in there. And then last but not least, let's check her out. So she comes in the plastic. All of the straps come in very nice packaging to keep them scratch free, hopefully while in the warehouse and then during the packaging and shipping process as well, which when you're paying, even though this is a luxury replica, you're still paying, you know, and it also comes with the Chanel that comes covered to keep it scratch free. You know, when you're paying, you know, a little bit of money for a nice item, for a luxury item, you want it to come to you in perfect condition. So I really appreciate the extra length that they went through to package this nicely. I'm going to kind of cut through some of this so that we can check these straps out. So this is actually a Chanel backpack purse. And so I'm 38, and when I was like in high school, backpack purses were everything. And I haven't owned one in a very long time. It took me a couple days to decide out of the products that they were willing to send me for a review what I wanted, and I settled on this. I just kept going back to it, and I cannot wait to use it. I almost feel like I could even put my little laptop in here for work, going to work with my Chanel bag. It does come with a big styrofoam in the middle to keep its shape during packaging as well. Oh, wow. Okay. I want to get the packaging on this off as well. Nice handles so you can hold it like that, or you can obviously use the backpack straps as like a backpack purse. So I like the versatility there for sure. Get that out of the way. Now the inside lining is absolutely beautiful. It feels luxurious. You guys, this does not feel cheap. This feels luxurious. I love that. I love the feel. I'm a little confused on what this part is. It's like a little strap with a hook. So I'm not sure about that, but it does got, let me check out the pocket in here. There's some things in the pocket here. Okay, so this is an authenticity card in the pocket. And then we've got some more little Chanel cards. It's got a nice deep pocket in there. And obviously the purse itself is extremely deep because it is a backpack bag or purse. So I really like the detailing on the bag itself as well. You can see the diamond stitch. It's on the front and the back. And then you also have a smaller diamond stitch on the lining. You've got the Chanel logo on the pocket there. And then you've also got the beautiful zipper with the Chanel name and logo on the zipper. You guys, this is beautiful and this feels luxurious. I can't wait to use and wear this. I would definitely recommend checking it out. If there's anybody you need to buy for that loves luxurious products or luxury products for the holiday season, I will link Tidelocker down below. If I can get a discount code for you, I will, and that will also be linked down below. But at the very least, you guys, go check it out. You might find something that you really, really like. It's got all of the brands, not just Chanel. You're going to see Givenchy, Givenchy, you're going to see Louis Vuitton, you're going to see all of it. Gucci, I almost went with a Gucci, but I don't know, I just love something about this. I just kept going back to, and I'm so glad that I did. It really is so me, and I'm glad that I finally got to open it, and I'm finally going to get to use it. I did not want to take all of the packaging off until I actually did the video. So they get an A+ from me. Like, I wish you guys could feel this. Like, there's some weight to this. It doesn't feel like a cheap replica at all. It feels like luxury. Yes, I'm obsessed. I am a believer. I am a fan. Thank you again so much, Tidelocker, for sending this to me. I definitely recommend checking them out. Again, all of the information about them will be linked in the description box below. All right, guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I would love to see comments, questions, and I will respond to everybody the best I can. Have a great one.